Alright, what's going on, y'all? Today I'm going to be putting on the MGW short shifter in the car. It won't really be much of an install, kind of will show how, but I'm not going to go too in depth. But let's go ahead and get you guys a cold start. The battery disconnected, and now it's to take apart the center console so I can get down here into the shifter. So here's 2 bolts, just 1, 2. These are 10s. I already loosened them. You don't have to take them off all the way. I just got them to the very top. And there's another one here, and then another one here. But I'm running a cable through here, you know, hence Apple Play. And then after that, there's gonna be a couple more bolts under here. And this is pretty easy. You just pop it up, pull it up. Might help having this up a little bit. Yeah, and sorry about that wind noise. I got the fan going, it's too hot. And yeah, let's see, pull that apart. Couple down there, right there, those 2, that one and that one. And then to take off the shifter, slide this down, turn this over, and take that off right there. And then it just pops right out. And we'll get to it once I get it out. And then I gotta unplug all of that, but we'll get to it. Alright, now we got the center console off. It's right over there. And I just had to unplug, you know, traction control, cigarette lighter, the other cigarette lighter, and then, you know, the hazards. Had to take off this quarter panel over here on this right side. On this side, it's not very hard. As soon as you unbolt these 2 bolts right here, which are 7mm, you just pop down and just kind of push that way a little bit, and then you can pull it out. And you get that panel out of the way, which I would recommend first before getting this out to make it easier. And then this one just pop right out. Have it in 2nd gear, so it makes it easier as well. But now for the installation, gotta make sure it's in neutral before I continue. Okay, so now we just gotta take off this cover and get to the bottom part of it. Just a rubber little cover. Surrounding boot. It's a little hard with one hand, you know. It's alright. Anyway, and then we're there. Now we take off these 4 bolts, and this whole top part assembly should just pop right out. Alright, we got the top cover off and everything. It's just those 4 bolts. Now we're down here. Now we're gonna remove these 4 as well. And then we're gonna remove this one down here holding the linkage, and we'll have to take this one off and move on to the new shifter, which I'll show you guys in a bit. All right, got the insulation in, got the linkage in, sliding. Time to install now. Okay, so we got it in. I first put in this first, threw in here linkage, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and put the bolts in by hand. A little bit of Loctite on it, and yeah. All right, now we got the lower box in, and I'm just gonna take off this alignment tool, and then the top part will go on along with this little gasket. So I'm gonna take this off, and then we'll put the gasket, and then go ahead and put the top. All right, got the short shifter in. I'll go for dry, see how it is. Neutral doesn't have much play, it's pretty stiff. And now I'm going 2 gears. That's 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Very solid. Feels pretty nice. So go ahead and push the